how to turn on animated thumbnail on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on animated thumbnail on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here we'll find profile, click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner. Now click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find this one, accessibility, click on it and then this one, first one. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it and that's it. As you see, animated thumbnail have been turned on. Now just go back and that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.